All right, here we are at a brand new Home2 Suites by Hilton Hotel. This is the lobby. Here's your front desk. And guess what we have here? We have a Schindler surprise. A 3300. Let's ride, here we go. All right, we're gonna go to 4. Wow! Interesting chime. Wow, we gotta take this for another ride. This is worth coming in. Going down? Are you going down?
No, I think.
All right, no problem. Listen to this. Unbelievable. All right, let's go back to 4. It's a nice elevator. Beautiful. I love that chime. And we're going to end it at 3 and capture the other elevator. All right, we're going to send this down to 1 and we're going to capture the other elevator.